Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set CP. So today we are going to see about installing an buzzer for Avenger bike. And this procedure is common for all the Bajaj bikes, and only for NS and RS the procedure changes, for which I have made a separate video which you can look in the same playlist. Okay, let's begin into the procedure. So for this we have to remove this socket which is present next to the battery. So this is the same socket which will be present in all the Bajaj bikes. And when we remove the socket, right, so we can see two wires. One is of orange color and another one is of brown color. Okay, so what we are going to do is the black color wire, we are going to pair it with the orange one, and the red color wire we are going to pair it with the brown one. Okay, so what happens if we interchange? It's very simple. It's not going to sound. That's it. It's not going to damage anything. It will not sound. Okay, so now we will pair accordingly. So the black one to the orange and the red one to the brown. So here there is no cutting or splicing of wire. So it's something like just a plug and play. So anyone can do this for yourself, and the cost for this buzzer is not more than 40 rupees, and you can install it by yourself. Since we are going to catch the buzzer and also the socket both in a single hand, it will take some time to get settled and put it back in that socket, because every time the wire will be coming out, right? So that would be a small problem, but you can get used to it if you try to put one or two buzzers by your own. For sure it will take some one or two attempts, but it's the job is very simple. Okay, so fixing is very simple. Just I need to push the socket, that's it. Yeah, it's getting in. We are done. Now let's try to put both the indicators and see how it sounds. So our installation is successful. The next thing is the position where we are going to place this buzzer. Okay, so if you see in the buzzer, right, the top there will be a small hole, that's a speaker part. So ensure that that is facing the outer side, then only you can hear maximum sound. So this is how we have to place it. Then what we have to do is we have to place the cover back. So for that I have to insert this particular part here and this clip, that's it. I'll say again. So this clip has to be inserted first, this one, followed by this clip. Yes, that's it, we are done. Now we have to lock it with the key. So with this the whole procedure has been completed. It's as simple as it is. This is common for all the Bajaj bikes, and for NS and RS it's separate, for which I have uploaded a separate video for your reference. So with this we will close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.